Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 6 most useful pieces from Louis Vuitton to purchase in 2021. When I talk about the useful, that means piece that has a multiple function, can wear multiple ways, such as my first pick is this one. This is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. They have a different print. The reason I love this one you can use as a wallet, as a coin purse, and as a key pouch, and sometimes you can even wear as a bag charm. So it is the multiple way to use this one. When I use as a wallet, I can put at least 5 credit cards. Like right now I put 5 gift cards and some cash, the house key, and at the same time I also put some coins. So this is normally I use if I carry the mini bag with me. I just use this little piece because it doesn't occupy a lot of space for my mini handbag. So that's why this is the first piece that I picked. So the second piece that I picked is this one. This is the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer, and surprisingly not a lot of people talking about this. However, this piece with me being many years, I cannot without it. And normally I use this one as a transportation card holder, and I also purchased one for my hubby, and he loved this piece so much he used this one as a wallet, because a lot of men, they don't like to carry big wallet. I like to have a small one. When you open that, you will see this side you can fit 4 credit cards, and both sides has a pocket. Then you also can fit your cash, your receipt, and this side also have another pocket. You can fit another credit card. Back there has a pocket. You also can fit a credit card or license. This one current price is $375. They also come with the limited edition, which is a little bit pricey. So that's the second piece. The next one is this piece. Now everyone knows this piece being so popular, especially recent years. Very hard to get it, and this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. They come with the other print, which is monogram Damier Azur, and also has some limited edition. And current price unfortunately just increased to $445. However, this one is still very versatile piece. You can wear many ways. You can add your own chains, and you also can use a chain from Louis Vuitton. Inside is fabric line. It can fit tons of stuff. Even though it is increased the price and that's very hard to swallow the price, but I still highly recommend it. Moving on, the next piece is my recent purchase. That is the Louis Vuitton Freesia pouch or Freesia pochette. And then the one I choose is the leather version and the Ampon leather. They do come with the canvas, epi leather, Venice leather, also the unlimited edition. Open inside, it's like that. They have 2 additional pouch. One pouch you can use as a wallet. It's like a full-size wallet. You can put 8 credit cards, and the middle compartment is the bill section. So you don't need to buy the full-size wallet. This is enough. And the other pouch also you can use as a wallet. It has a zipper pouch. The pouch itself you can use without those 2 inserts. You can put your own stuff, and also come with a removable chain. This chain can use to many other bags, such as I just mentioned, mini pochette. So you can use this one to the mini pochette. So this mini pochette becomes the crossbody bag, and you can use double the chain, so you can use as a shoulder bag. It's like that. It's just so pretty. This one become as a shoulder bag. So this chain is a very versatile piece. You know, this one you can use the clutch without the chain, or you can use the chain as a crossbody, and also double the chain use as a shoulder bag, which I had a video on that, and I can link there. You can take a look at the way to wear this pouch. That's why I put this one into the most useful Louis Vuitton pieces. So highly recommend it. We are moving on to the handbag. I picked 2 handbags. The first one is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size MM. And they also come with a different print, which is monogram or demi-ebene. They also have the leather version, epi leather. This handbag also very versatile. You can use it as an everyday bag, a work bag, a weekend bag, or travel bag. It can use as a carry-on bag. Inside, it comes with the pouch. This pouch you can use as a clutch. Myself, I use this pouch as a travel piece, which I put my passport boarding ticket in here. It's very organized. I also have a video for this pouch and talking about detail for this pouch. Inside is have the back pocket as well. Very classic, elegant piece, and they sell individual in the pre-love market. It costs more than $300, but when you purchase the Neverfull, it comes with this piece. It's like you add one more piece to your collection, which is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull pouch. And this one you also can use as a wallet. You know, sometimes when lunchtime I don't want to carry my Neverfull, I just carry this one. When I put my cell phone and my credit card or some cash in this pouch and just go. Some people said because it's an open toe, it's kind of not safe. For me, I feel it's pretty much safe because it has the zipper pocket. This zipper pocket is pretty big. I normally to put my wallets and my important stuff into this zipper pocket, and I just close the zipper. And that's it. And outside, I just put some other stuff like clothes, shoes, whatever it is. So for me, I think it's pretty safe. Now, if you really don't want to use the pocket, zipper pocket, you also can get a bag organizer with the zipper. And also, it's a good way to go. So this one, I highly recommend it if you want to start to collect the Louis Vuitton piece. I think this one you should consider to add to your collection. So the last one and not the least is the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier. I know you guys are sick of here. I'm talking about this piece because I talked this piece for many times in my other videos. This is one of my favorite pieces from Louis Vuitton, and this one is a Speedy 25 Bandolier. The reason I picked this one, you guys probably know, this is a very versatile piece. You can wear as a classic Speedy, which is without a strap, and also because it's a bandolier, it comes with the strap, so you definitely can wear as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. I already took off the one piece of the strap because I want to wear as a shoulder bag, so I make this strap shorter. But if you want to wear as a crossbody, you just add this piece to the strap and make a strap longer so you can wear as a crossbody. The other way is this one, this strap you can use to other handbag. You actually can use a strap for the mini pochette. It looks you have another piece of the Louis Vuitton, and you can use it as a wear as a shoulder bag. Now, if you want to wear a crossbody, add this one, and you can wear this mini pochette as a crossbody. I think definitely one of the most useful piece from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Those are the 6 pieces you can start to have Louis Vuitton collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.